Hello. This is a demo of a Qodo.net API tester agent that I created to plan API tests and create the automated API tests with C# and RestAssured. I will use this Swagger documentation that includes different APIs. I will create the test plan and the automated tests for the server post API. You can see the valid range for the server. You can see the same info on the OpenAPI Swagger.json. You need to execute the command API_test_plan and pass the Swagger.json URL. The API to test. If you want to include negative tests. And the output dir to create the test plan. The agent will access to the URL and create the test plan. You need to allow the access to the URL and the permissions to check the output dir to create if not exists. The API_test_plan.md was created with the analysis of the API, positive and negative scenarios, test data requirements, priorities, dependencies, schema validationized scenarios out of scope. You can also see the test plan for the full API that includes a list of all APIs. Positive and negative scenarios, test data requirements, test priorities, sprint implementation, and some blockers. With the command API_test_case with the same parameters, we'll create the API automated test with C# RestAssured. We'll check another test to use the same structure like the TestBase class, the base URL, and the auth token. We'll download the Swagger.json. It will create the server API test with the same test base and base URL and auth token parameters. The agent will restore and build the project, and if there is some error, we'll fix it. You can refresh and execute the test created. All tests passed.